Now, it doesn't need me to say that Welsh rugby in recent times has not been a happy place. The Wales men's national team have been on this incredible losing streak, of course, for a country who loves rugby so much and sees it as probably their national sport. It's been, if anything, a bit of an embarrassment, seeing just how many games they've lost in succession. Yes, that has now come to an end. Of course, they defeated Japan during their recent tour, but we did also debate just what would come after that. What would be the next step for Wales to not just see that as some sort of a huge relief, which of course it was, but to then build on it and then maintain some sort of form after it as well. And of course the next step they've done is to finally appoint a new head coach, and that is Steve Tandy, and he is a Welshman indeed. Of course, previously you had Warren Gatland as the permanent head coach from Australia, and Warren Gatland, yes, he'd done fantastic things with Wales perhaps in his first spell with the country, but then, as obviously we all know, things did not end very well in terms of the results they were having at all. All those losses, things had to change, and of course Warren Gatland ended up departing as head coach. But now Steve Tandy has come in to the setup at Welsh Rugby. So just how will he get on, and what can we expect from his coaching style? What can we expect from Wales as a nation now that they finally have someone new at the helm? So to find out more, let's go to our Wales sport correspondent, Charles Haig-Jones. Charles, just what can you tell us about Wales's new head coach and what we can expect from him in terms of Wales going forward as a rugby nation?
Yes, the WRU have finally got their man, a permanent head coach to take the nation forward. And as you say, this incredibly dark time for Welsh rugby needs to be, cut out and really taken back to the very best that they've got. It's a building block. It's a massive journey that starts now. Matt Sherratt obviously ended that test losing streak with the 18 games, eventually ended it with a second tour in Japan, the second test there, which was massive for morale, massive for boost, and maybe that sort of helped the final decision. Now it is Steve Tandy, Scotland's defensive coach since 2019. But his impact at Scotland really helped sort of reshape them into one of the world's most disciplined and resilient units in world rugby, and that is so positive for the WRU and for Wales and the fans, that they know this group of players have got it in them to be special, have got it in them to go all the way once again and really get back to their very best. Fans, commentators have credited him with improving Scotland's defence significantly. Scotland conceded only 5 tries in a notable year, while France conceded 13. I mean, that just sees the massive difference that Steve Tandy made. I mean, he's their man. One massive bonus, deep Welsh roots. He's born in Tonmore, near Port Talbot, Tandy played for Bridgend, Neath and the Ospreys, over 100 caps there, though he never earned a senior Welsh cap. But he understands what it takes to be a grassroots, really rooted Welsh player, and to be born there as well is fantastic. As the first coach, I believe, since 2007, that's actually from Wales as well. So that gives the nation another boost. He's going to know what it means. He's going to maybe feel those defeats a little bit harder and enjoy the wins a little bit more with this group of Welsh players. So that's a massive bonus, in my opinion. He coached the Ospreys as well to the Pro 12 title in 2012. He served on the British and Irish Lions coaching team during 2021, and he's coached internationally with the Warthorse and Scotland as well. So massive experience internationally. That's going to boost them as well. Obviously, Matt Sherratt, fantastic when he came in, but to have international level experience is so different to club rugby experience as well. It'll be Argentina, Japan, New Zealand, South Africa, all in the autumn internationals around November time. Massive chance to get things up and running. He's going to enjoy this, I believe. It's going to be a fantastic stint for the WRU, and hopefully they can get over the line against some very top nations in that autumn series to look ahead to that 2027 Rugby World Cup.